you want down?
It's small group night out, so it's been lots of fun. Lots of kids everywhere. So yeah, maybe I'll check you later. Look, I'm here with Molly. We're at Wave because it's small group night out. Tell them what you're gonna do.
What?
Tell them what you're doing for small group night out.
We're going to the mall, we're gonna do a scavenger hunt, and Rochelle promised the girls that if we get kicked out, she's gonna buy them frozen yogurt.
Oh, fun. Hopefully you won't try to get kicked out on purpose because I know that's something I would do.
So yeah, then we're going back to the food court and some food.
We'll talk to you later.
Going on. In fact, I got a lot of questions today. Is Wave happening? Yes, it's happening. And that's why you're here right now. Now it is, yeah, right? It is small group night out, so you will be going with your small group. Hey, guys, it's like camp all over. Okay, so I want to give you just a few quick things. First of all, for all the leaders, shh, ladies, goodness. Okay, on the table out over here, there are little flyers for Neon Night, which is next week. I want you to take the leaders, please take a bunch of flyers and hand them out to your students. Students, those flyers are not just for you, they are for you to give to your friends. It is an invite night, so you need to invite people. And I don't know if you noticed, but there's a board out there that says hashtag Wave Worldwide out in the lobby. Look for it on your way out. It's got one picture on it, and it's got me and Pastor Matthew. And that is what I want you to do. Not take a picture with Pastor Matthew. What I want you to do is take a picture with a friend, post it on social media, or send it to me via email or text or whatever, and tag it. If you're posting on social media, tag it, hashtag Wave Worldwide, and then we will put that picture on the board. And then if you get that person to show up anytime during our Wave Worldwide series, someone new, yeah, not just anybody. You can't be like, well, I'm showing up, I'll take a picture with myself, whatever. Or, you know what? I think Peyton goes to this youth group. She shows up every week. I'll just get a picture of her. Does not work. Does not work. It has to be somebody who has not been here, or at least hasn't been here for a very long time, okay? No. You've been here tonight. Yeah, but I don't mean like 2 minutes, 2 months, I mean several months. So anyway, guys, listen. I mean like since last year, okay? And I don't mean 2017, I mean like last school year, okay? The rule I have for you is be an example of Christ in the world, alright? So no matter where you're going, doesn't matter if you're going to the mall, if you're going to Dairy Queen, wherever else, you're going to be having a lot of fun. Make sure you're a representative of Christ while you're out, okay? With that, I'm going to pray, and then you all can go in whatever direction your leader calls you, okay? Let's pray. Alright, students. Okay, so speaking of, we've got what I'm calling face paint, but it's really, we're not going to actually do face paint this time. Instead, we're going to do, I got a whole bunch of highlighters, because it works just as well, and it's not as messy. So, do you want to do, if I can find the leftover stuff, it's just really expensive, that's the whole thing. It's stupid expensive. So, if we really wanted to, we could use some of the poster paint, because it's non-toxic and stuff too, but it's not really meant for your face. It might stay in your face just a little bit. It's supposed to be washable, but it might still stay in your skin. But highlighters is what we'll have, plus we'll have all the little decoration things. We have a bunch of those from last year, so we got plenty, all the glow sticks and whatever else. They're really good at that. I don't know why, but they're really good at that. Okay, so I need at least one person for that right there.
Or is that just?
We will do the signs as well, yeah.
What if we put all the signs on the wall? They might decorate it.
You are check-in and you are Marina. Photo booth.
Decorating it.
No checking.
No, she did on the stage tonight. That was really cool. So we'll take some of those ideas. And then, of course, I've already got the playlist set up. It's really good. I've been listening to it. It's awesome. Jack will wear his shoes and he'll basically create a thing. So here, we've got a few different things that are gonna be going on. We have t-shirt making. Well, actually first, we got check-in. And I'm gonna need 2 people for that. Tally is gonna be one of the people. She had to bug out real quick, but
Are we having
I
store
already
next
asked her.
week?
What's that?
Are we doing store? If
Uh,
not, then I can check it, but if I'm gonna do store, then I can.
Gotcha. Yeah. I would like to do something.
Okay,
Yes,
then I'm doing store.
yeah. I think it'd be kind of a fun
And then I
element
did
to
the
have.
t-shirt thing last time, if you want me to do that again.
Okay.
Where they're buying them and decorating them?
Yes.
Okay.
Did you tell them to bring money to buy shoes?
It's on the.
Oh,
It should be.
okay.
I don't know if it's on the paper, but we've been talking about it.
I realized why a
Posted
lot of
places.
people did not get my message that I sent out. Did you get it? The group text that
I got
sent?
it. Yeah.
Because almost every single phone number that I had an adult for, they had it under home. It wasn't a mobile. They didn't have it under mobile. So
Oh.
whoever put it under home, and I'm assuming it's probably not going to go if it says.
Gotcha.
So the
well,
ones that I have, like Kathleen, them,
Yeah.
I changed it to mobile, but that doesn't help.
Yeah,
That's
it's all
what I just said
dependent
this
upon.
week.
I put it whatever they put,
Yeah.
but a lot of times the mobile.
Just send it.
That's kind of the hard thing with the students because a lot of time their home phone is their parents' mobile phone number.
Yeah, that's
It's
what
kinda
happened.
weird.
And I only have like 4 parents' numbers, but those 4 I checked, every single one of them, it was under home. So I think that's
Gotcha.
probably why I didn't get any response
Yeah.
from anybody.
So this is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe and share the video if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.